Another castle. With the council workers out with their Antoine and Chloe.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
And off we go. Cyrille dropped me off at exactly the place that we got picked up yesterday, and had a fantastic evening. And now off we go. Good morning, day 9. Had a really good day yesterday. Visited a lot of places. Bar is a beautiful place. Yeah, so last night we stayed at Cyrille's house. Had a really nice meal, good time with Celestine and Lotty and Felix. And Cyrille dropped me off where we got picked up. So I got about 36 kilometers to a hotel room so I can have a rest after about 10 days. Do a Nero. So today the objective is really to do about 24k and set myself up for tomorrow. So thankfully it rained quite heavily last night and I was indoors, so I'm hoping today there won't be too much rain and I should have a good day. So let's see where the day takes us. It's so nice to be walking through a forest, hearing the birds. There we go. It rained last night. They're out in force. This shelter, they're specifically saying it's to hitch up your horses. Tether your horses. This one is tended. These are all tended beds. And a bug hotel. I think they're doing remedial works. This bit of the Bernstein Chateau. Ooh. Bonjour, monsieur. Doing remedial works. There's a seat. And what does it look at? What a beautiful view. No matter what day of the week, there are always cyclists out. When you get on a path that's been ripped to shreds by these big forestry vehicles, it's sand on one side with rocks in the middle. Yuck. A lot of the signs now are saying GR5 and E2. So E2 is a huge European trail. There's big and there's very big. That is huge. Difficult to photograph going up because, to be honest, I'm concentrating on getting up. But the going down is a chance to show. And then out of nowhere, another castle. Okay. It's impressive. And 50 yards from the other castle is another castle. Although I think they call them chateaux. This Rammstein is also being repaired. So we have this small building, lots of different stone types. But the question is, who builds it? Our owners like their dogs. We've dropped a good 500 meters. Now just following a river into the village, I think. Flip through that village. I think I'll stop at the next one. It's a long way around, but there are the two castles I was at a little earlier. Welcome to Chatenois. The practicalities of walking public toilets. Coming into Centre-Ville. So let's see what it has. So I've spent an hour or so, hour and a half in this town, just taking a bit of time. And now we're off to the right to go up into the hills again. And then the first thing I see is this beautiful church with its turrets. And Lotty and Felix. Looking at the beautiful church spires with the council workers out with their strummers. So, just left the town and now making my way up into the hills again. Really nice. Saw Charlotte and Felix in a coffee shop, so I had some coffee with them, random. And then I met a couple, Seb and Beck, and he said to me, he's French, he said to me, I saw you in Strasbourg getting a gas canister. So that was quite funny. But yeah, I think I'll go about another 10 kilometers and then I'll stop for the day. And that will give me 10, 12 kilometers tomorrow for my accommodation. Oh, it's always tough going up. Another quite thin path that's been blasted through by these forestry vehicles. Wow, a lot of devastation. Neatly stacked logs, and these are the sort of vehicles that come up. Whew. Just as you're walking along, a vehicle goes by. I've gone down about 500 meters and I've gone up about 200 meters. There's a hut. Time for lunch. cheese and sausage. And here I am following Antoine and Chloe. And Antoine has an atom pack. So they're going into the town tonight. So they're doing another 15, 16 kilometres. And I'm doing another 6 or 7. There goes Antoine. This is the spring on the map. Not very much. Ah. And there go Chloe and Antoine. They're going into the town tonight. So they've got another 10 kilometres. But yeah, it's nice walking and chatting. So I got in without paying, got into this first bit to use the toilets. But yeah, it's about to close. This is the view from the top, Haute-Kœnigsbourg. It's been a lazy day, doing about 20-22 kilometers. Not very difficult. I'm really setting myself up for tomorrow to have a short day and a rest before quite a challenging 100 kilometers. So at the moment, I'm just coming down from the castle to find an unguarded shelter and pitch my tent nearby.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.